Today in this video we will see what to do if the applications in your Android phone are crashing randomly. Now the first thing what we need to do is we need to restart our Android device and check if this will fix the issue. Generally some of the basic error are fixed by restarting your device. So once you restart the device, the other option that you can do is to check how much of space is left in your device. All the application needs at least some space in order to load and run in your Android device. So we will go to settings, we will go to device care, and then we will go to storage, and we will check how much of space is left in our device. For me, I have 21.2 gigabyte of space left in my device, so there is sufficient amount of space left in my device for applications to run. If you don't have, then you need to delete applications or you need to delete files so that you can make space in your device. From here you can actually check what things are taking more space in your device. If you see, for me videos are taking 13.3 gigabyte, so I can delete videos so as to make space in my device. Now the next thing what we will do is we will clear the cache files and data for the applications. For that one, I will go to settings, I will go to apps. Now suppose if this is the application that is crashing frequently, I will open it. I will go to storage, then I will select clear cache and then select clear data and then OK. So this will clear the cache files and data for the application. Once it is done, just run the application and check if it crashes again or not. Now the other thing what we can do is we can check if there is an update available for the application. Sometimes there may be a bug in the current version of the application and there might be an update to fix the issue. So if you want to check whether there is an update version of the application or not, what we will do, we will go to Play Store, we'll tap on this menu option and go to My Apps and Games. Now here you will be able to see if there is any update available. If there is, you will just tap on the update button and then you will select update and update the application. So once the application is updated, you can check if this will fix the issue or not. Now the other thing what you can do is you can completely uninstall the application and reinstall it again. But suppose if you have applications like Messenger or WhatsApp, then you have to at first back up all the chats that are present in WhatsApp or Messenger so that you won't lose it. After you have backed up, then what you can do, you can uninstall the application. So if you want to uninstall the application, you will just tap and hold on the application and then select uninstall. So this will uninstall the application, and once it is removed, you will go to Play Store, then you will look for the app here and then you will install the application. So after uninstalling and installing the application, you can check whether the application will run properly or not. Now the last option will be to update the Android software. Sometimes with the current version of Android software, the application might not be compatible. So check if there is an update available for the Android version for your device. For that one, we will go to settings, we will go to software update, and then we will go to download and install. The device will check if there is an update available. For me, my software is already up to date. If there is an update for the software, you have the option to download and install the update. So once the software is updated, you can check if the application will work or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.